Hi guys, I'm Johan and today I'm going to open this Crayola back to school package. It's on your list and I'm really excited to take a look at it. But before I open it, I would like to thank Crayola for sending this to us. Let's see what's inside. Wow. The first thing that we have in the box is the Crayola Ultra Clean Washable Markers. There are 8 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, brown, and black. As you can see, the tip of the marker is cone shaped, so you can make thick and thin lines. The next thing that we have in the box is Crayola colored pencils. Wow, this has been on my wish list. I only have the Crayola Colors of the World pencils, but now I have this one. It has 24 bright and bold colors. All pencils are pre-sharpened and ready to use. Next, we have is the washable project paint. It has 10 vibrant colors. I already have this paint set. It's my favorite. I've been using this for crafts and arts. Last but definitely not the least, Crayola Super Tip Markers. I finally have the 50 set. I only have the box of 10. You'll have all the shades you need. I can't wait to use them. Hi again, I'm back and I'm really excited because today I have a very special guest to help me make some cool art and crafts for the very first time with me in this video, no other than my mom, Mama Mitzel.
Hi Johan! Hi everyone! Are you ready to make something colorful and beautiful using this Crayola back to school materials? It's on your list!
I'm so ready, Ma.
We all know that the first day of school is just around the corner. So join us in making a DIY desk organizer, and we will also upcycle Johan's old notebooks. Can you tell me what the materials we need, Johan?
The materials we need are Crayola washable markers, Crayola colored pencils, Crayola project paint, Crayola super tip markers, paintbrush, clear tape, leaves, the back of a white calendar, cardboard, masking tape, cutter, scissors, and my notebooks. No time to waste, let's
start crafting! I already cut the milk box and cover it with the calendar. Because we're going to do tape resist art, we put the tape here and we will color it later. This one is the notebook, so we covered it with white paper so we can do the leaf stamping art. Those are the leaves and these are the brushes. We will put the paint on them. So which one do you want to do first, Johan?
Leaf stamping.
Come on, let's do it. Want, you can use your fingers instead.
Now for the next art.
The tape resist art for the DIY organizer. We'll use the super tips. Let's start! One side is done. Complete. We will use the
Crayola washable markers.
We will the rainbows.
I want to color the J here first.
Using what?
The color pencils.
Oh, okay. I can write the subjects on the cover of the notebook while you do that.
Okay,
Which one is this? For science or math?
now.
Okay. And it is. I'm using what color? For math? Brown or red?
Red.
You use blue.
That's my favorite color.
I'm going to write science.
Yeah.
Color
Orange.
orange. I think we can put outline so it's more visible, the letter J. We're going to use this one or this one. The super tips or the ultra washable marker.
This one.
G for
Johan.
yay! We're finished!
Oh no, Ma, look at the paint on my hands, my shirt, and the table.
No worries, dear. Crayola products are washable on skin, clothes, and even on surfaces.
Yay! What a relief! This shirt is my favorite. I don't want it to have stains or paint marks.
So what can you say about our finished artworks?
Cool! I love coloring and recycling. Crayola materials made it so pretty and colorful.
Did you know that Crayola cares for the environment?
Really? Just like me?
Yes, for example, these colored pencils are made from reforested woods.
What does that mean?
It means that they use woods from well-managed forests. For every tree used, a tree is planted.
Wow, that's awesome!
Another great news for RFC Shop or small customers. Crayola Shop Scratch and Win promo is still ongoing until the end of September 2023.
So what are you waiting for, guys? Try your luck and buy Crayola. It's on your list. How does it look?
Perfect! You did great artworks, Johan.
We both did. Thanks again, Crayola, for the coloring supplies. They're easy to blend and it makes decorating more fun.
There goes another art craft project that is so simple and easy to do with your kids or the whole family this school break.
Yep, it's so much fun. Can we make another one, Mama?
Sure, but we have to end this vlog first. Okay, so if you guys want to buy these amazing Crayola products, where can they get it, Johan?
In National Bookstore, SM, Metro, and in other bookstores and department stores.
Inspire kids' creativity and level up school projects with Crayola on your list this back-to-school season. Okay, be sure to check out crayola.com/crafts for amazing inspiration and craft ideas.
I love Crayola!
We both do. It's on your list. Don't forget to tag Johan Matthew and insert #Crayola Crafts when you do one of these art projects.
Alright guys, again it's Johan.
And Mama Mitzel.
Bye-bye, thanks for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, Johan Matthew, for more cool arts and crafts. Bye!